I'm making cheesy tacos. Look at that bubbly goodness. Spicy. Look at that bubbly. Grab it and dab it. Hola familia, Busy Mommy here, and today we're gonna be making these little shells, these little taco cheese shells. As you guys know, one of my most popular recipes was my cheese tortilla recipes. Y'all love that video. It was funny enough, one of the ones that I was like, I didn't think I needed to film. But anyway, here we go. So now I want to make little taco shells, and I'm going to do that with my little dash. So a lot of you guys, and I have it over here, a lot of you might have the chaffle. I call it the chaffler because in reality that's all I use it for, but a little waffle maker. This is a dash one that's made for pancakes. Story behind this is I went to buy the waffle and I accidentally bought this. And then I was like, all right, well, I'm gonna figure out a way to make something out of it. So then I started using it a lot, and I use it for my keto pancakes, which the recipe's linked below. You can use it for that. It makes them perfect. It's awesome. So I use it for a lot of things, and then I thought, why not use it for mini shells? Why not? So I got myself some cheese here. This is a Mexican blend. It has like pepper jack, Kobe jack. It has a good amount of different cheeses, and all you're gonna do, it's super easy. All you're gonna do is put cheese in the bottom just to kind of fill it up. All right, and we're gonna shut it. Let that happen. While that's happening, you're gonna get yourself some aluminum foil, and you're gonna fold it 4 ways. So you just fold it that way, and then you're just gonna make like a little tower, kind of, just to hold it. It's really easy. You don't have to do this. You can do it on a cup if you want. And then I get myself some parchment paper to put on top of it. I do that because it doesn't stick, and it makes it better. Now you can make it much longer if you're gonna do like multiple. This will probably hold 2. If you want, you can open it up and make it go this way, a little bit bigger. It's whatever you want. It's pretty simple. And you just put it, you just basically want it to give it a little bit of a shape. Because as you know, it's very pliable when you pull out the cheese. So we're gonna take a look. Look at that bubbly goodness. It's looking good. Give it another second while I go get a spatula. Now that that is pretty done, I like to just peel it a little bit from the edges. You don't have to use your hands. And then I'm gonna put it on here. Now, my favorite thing about this is you can add stuff to it. So I want a shell that not only has this cheese, but I want a shell has some jalapeños in it. So let's do that. Get yourself a jalapeno. Move this shell out of the way. This one's got some veins in it, so it is gonna be spicy. I got these beautiful cutting boards from my husband for Christmas, and I just don't wanna cut on them because they're so pretty, but like, that's the point of cutting boards. All right, so you're gonna do the same thing. Cheese down. This time, I'm gonna add some jalapeños. These actually make really good little snack. I did this the other day because honestly, I did it just out of like, I don't want to say desperation. I was just hungry and I wanted something, and I want something quick that I could just set it and forget it kind of situation, and that's what I did with this. All right, wait. Close it. All right, I'm gonna get a paper towel just to dab this because I don't like all the oil extras. But we're starting to come together. We're starting to become a taco shell. Now you can flip it and do it whichever way you want. You know, if you want the taco shell to be this way or this way. This is actually a lot faster than even making them in the oven because I'm only gonna make, you know, however many I need for me. So usually that would be probably about 3 of these, which is awesome. Let's see, look at that bubbly. It's not crispy yet around the edges, so I know I'm not ready. It's so good. All right, so you know what I'm gonna ask you while we're waiting, right? Can you like, subscribe, and comment? Also, what would you fill with these taco shells? Something good? What's your favorite filling for tacos? Just wondering. All right, let's see. Almost there. I also kind of like this because I feel like it removes some of the oil that's in there, and I know on keto oil is good, but as you guys know, I'm doing keto light, so I'm trying not to have a lot of my, I'm trying to count my calories and make sure I'm not having a lot of excess fats and such. So I try to remove as much of the fat as I can from these types of things. All right, that looks good. So we're gonna grab it. We're gonna dab it. Grab it and dab it. All right, and then I'm gonna put it on our sheet. You let them sit for a little while. I don't ever really let them sit very long. I don't need them to turn hard to become a shell because I like them the way it is. So now I have some leftover shredded carnitas. I'm gonna throw a little bit of my hot sauce on this meat to make it even more flavorful, and then we're gonna make some tacos. So this is my chilaquiles hot sauce that you guys have seen my video for. What's funny is the only difference between me and my grandma with having a giant tub of hot sauce in your fridge is that mine is actually in a Tupperware, whereas my grandma's would have been in an old butter container. But you know, my grandma, I miss her. It was so cute. I would go to her house and you'd go to try to grab like butter or try to grab something, and you'd realize that like this one's leftover spaghetti, this one's hot sauce, this one's this. I'm like, where is the actual butter? Oh, we're out. Okay, so there's 6 tubs of butter in the fridge and not one is butter. Fun times. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and take our shell. Now we have our little taco shell, and it literally took like 1.5 minutes. It's not even that long. And then you're gonna stuff it. That's it. It's so good, so quick, so easy. It's easier than an oven, faster, and actually a little better because you can control the crispiness, and I love it. So I hope you try this at home. All right, so as always, I love y'all. I'm here for you every time. Quick, fast recipes. Can't wait to share more with you. From my family to yours. I love you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.